These are the new text-to-videos created by OpenAI Sora. As you can see, it can seamlessly create videos with different angles of the clip. This is really going to be a game changer, particularly in content creation, movie making, animations, and advertisements. This is what you will get for the prompt: POV footage of an ant navigating the inside of an ant nest. As you can see, the result is amazing. There are few errors, like in this clip. The second ant has 2 heads. But Sora is in the earlier phase, and for an earlier phase AI software, the results are stunning. These are some of the new videos that created using Sora. Make sure to watch it. It's unbelievable.